You know, it always starts with the realization of there's something more than yourself. And many people find that stage in different stages in their life, that realization that you're not just this body and mind. It's like you're not this small worm in this in this ground, in this earth. You're something bigger. You're connected to something much bigger than yourself. There are greater forces in life, like nature, God, or whatever you want to call it, universe. And you have to start by just realizing that fact first, that it's not just about this meat sack that you are wearing. Okay, it's not about its desires and wishes, and it's not about surviving here. Life is so much more. And when you do realize this part, then your perception of life changes. So with that change, something else happens inside of you. This desire to grow, to understand, to learn, it actually wakes up inside of you. And it's like a driving force from that point on. It's driving you, it's taking you somewhere else, it's taking you on your journey through life consciously, because you are now participating in this journey somehow. And there's so many ways to start. I mean, just look around you, like so much information nowadays. All these like yoga movements, right? Veganisms, vegetarianisms, raw eaters, sun gazers, all kind of weird communities, all kind of religions, right? Religion is a good place to start also. Just by understanding different religions, you can compare them all, for example, and you can see the differences, and you can see the core message in all of them, which is the same. So you can just start exploring, start learning about many things, and start analyzing them. Everything starts from just using our logical brain, just analyzing things, asking questions, just becoming that kid again, because now you're thinking probably, oh, I already know pretty much everything, but, well, not everything, but I already know, I have good idea of what's going on here. But believe me, you don't. You have no clue. No clue. I don't care what level you are at. You have no clue, because I know I have no clue where I am. I just have an idea again, but my idea is just different than yours. It's just a little bit, maybe at this time, maybe it's a little bit wider, inclusive of more things, but it's still just an idea. I have no idea what the hell is going on here. Okay, so neither do you, but I'm a step closer, and every single day I'm making steps to understand more of myself, to regain more of myself, more of my true essence, understand who I am. And the more I go, the more I understand that I'm not this little worm. I'm something bigger. And this is where you are. This is where you should start probably. You should start asking questions. Why do I think I'm so small? Why am I thinking I'm insignificant? And who does it benefit for me to think that about myself? Am I benefiting in any way by thinking I'm a worm and then this tiny speck in this universe? What if you're not? What if it's opposite of that? What if the universe is a tiny speck of you? What then? So start asking questions. Just a little bit of philosophy in your life, not gonna hurt you. Start thinking, analyzing, understanding, asking questions. And that's the greatest way to start. The right questions will always guide you to the right places. So there's no set way, to get somewhere. There's no set way to find something. It's always depending on you, on your questions. Because as soon as you have a question, the answer is already there, together with this question. It's already waiting for you. It's created right at that same moment where you ask it, and it's waiting for you to explore it, to find the answer. And you will find the answer as long as you have the question. So ask questions. Ask anybody, ask everybody. And you'll get yourself in the right place. So yeah, that's where you start.